We got some questions about Clean Slate and who can see it and whether records can be used for various purposes. So, in most cases, concealed charges be used for employment, housing, or school matriculation. In most cases, no. Under Clean Slate 3.0, sealed or expunged criminal history record information cannot be used for employment, housing, or school matriculation purposes by any individual or non-criminal justice agency unless required by federal law. If, however, a person voluntarily discloses their sealed or expunged criminal history when they didn't need to, the employer is allowed to consider that, and they have immunity from liability if they consider the information that you gave to them that you didn't have to disclose. Who can see sealed records? Sealed records remain inaccessible to the public and will not show up on background checks. A limited number of agencies and employers will be able to see sealed records. Law enforcement entities like the police, district attorneys, and the courts, employers who are required to consider records under federal law, see 9121B.2 2.I, Department of Human Services for verifications required under the Child Protective Services Law or other laws, the Supreme Court for admission to the bar and the judiciary, and for verification of information provided by certain candidates for a public office. Clean Slate 3.0 expanded access to sealed records in two relatively minor ways: for certain candidates for public office and for verification by DHS as required by a law other than the Child Protective Services Law. So that's an update on sealed records, can they be used, and who can see them.